This is a very tiny plant that is there in this shaded forest floors. And species and all, I'm not sure. I might have seen it before also. Flower is pretty attractive. If you lie down on the floor and forest floor and watch it, you can see. So that's how the flower looks. Like that. And then the distinctive feature is this. I think these are the seed pods, maybe. So it's a spreading plant. And on very dry forest floors also it survives quite well, and it takes cuttings in the, it roots at the nodes.